Welcome back to YouTube channel in guitar, myself Varun. So the part 3, the Anupallavi portion of the song Hamma Hamma from the movie Bombay, I'm doing in this video. The part 1 and part 2, the part 1 actually is the starting bit portion and part 2 is the Pallavi part. So the link can be seen in my description, those who missed the song. So in this video, Anupallavi part will be played. So hope you can learn from this video. So in this part, we will learn about how to play the Anupallavi part of the song. So note will start at D. First of all, let you know about the notes. First string, 10th fret is D, 8th fret is C, 12th fret is E, 14th fret is F sharp and 15th is G. So note will start at 10th fret, which is D. You can see D, D, C. So D, D, C, D, D, E. And again C and D. So only C, D, E is coming in this part. And next part is and here the notes are G, A, F sharp, E. So that many times we have to play the note G. So G, 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 and A, F sharp, E, A, F sharp, E. That is the part. So A, F sharp, E. So G. So this many number of times you have to play G. You listen the song. 5 or 6 times we are playing the note G. And then A, F sharp, E, E. The notes are 17th fret, then 14th fret and 12th fret. And that is E, F sharp, D. E, F sharp, E, D. E, F sharp, E, D. That is the note. And again we are playing the same note. And that's only in the Anupallavi portion, and after that so only very few notes are coming. The notes are C, D, E, F sharp, G, and this note that is A. Only these many notes are in this Anupallavi part. So hope you can learn from this video. Thank you for watching.